Hey guys, this is Johnny. I haven't been posting this channel for a while. I think I'm coming back posting cars stuff, but yeah, this is my 1990 Mazda Miata. Currently my drift car. I had it for around 3 years. When I had it, it was completely stock. It had a soft top. It had different wheels. So since I got it, I put different wheels on it. I put some bucket seats, some hard dog, roll bar, short shifter, and I also put a hydro. So pretty basic, simple drift car. I've been drifting on and off for the past 3 years. I try to attend at least 5 events per year, but next year I'm trying to go more serious about it, and I want to, try some local events and competition. So this car is gonna be a whole paint job, just gonna look better. I'm putting the engine out right now because it's leaking out oil, so I want to refresh the engine. And this engine bay is disgusting. I mean, it's really bad, so I'm gonna paint the engine bay and all that. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along in my journey. So far I have taken off the intercooler, I've taken off the radiator, power steering, reservoir, and I just drained the oil right now. I drained the transmission fluid, took out the PPF, I took out the differential. I mean, this car, I'm hoping for it to look a lot better this year. That's my plan, my goals. Yeah, but it's winter, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be uploading and recording. And I'm just gonna give you guys what I have done to the car so far. This car used to have when I first turbo the car, it had like FMU with I believe a 14B turbo from a DSM, and it was running around 8 psi. The car like moved, but it wasn't enough for me to keep up with other people. So then I got a Mega Squirt, and I got bigger injectors and put a E85, and now I'm around 17 psi with this turbo. But my turbo setup, I'm gonna switch my turbo setup with the winter when I pull out the engine. It's not gonna have a hookup anymore. I'm gonna pull a full exhaust. Yeah, but I mean, the car is just gonna have a whole new paint job and just gonna look a whole different car, hopefully by summer. I just want to take you guys along the journey and see if I can make it happen. My plan was to get a Corvette for this year. I have other things to do more important than getting a whole new car. And I mean, this is pretty much drift ready. I have destroyer die, angle kit, like full angle kit. I also have open control arms in the rear. I think they are Megan Racing or PM2 or something like that. So I have like 0 camber in the rear. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for now. I'm just gonna try to record as much as I can and take you guys for the journey. Thank you for watching.